Hey guys, it's pretty straightforward. Everything that you see that has been resurfaced a while ago and is failing, we're going to be redoing, which there's a trash can pad we're not touching. Strange comment the lady made. She says that there's occasionally flooding so bad that the mailbox there is almost buried in water and it all works all its way back this way, which is insane to me because there's plenty of fall on this driveway. Nothing we can do about that. I suggested considering wire and caulking and sealing to try to keep it more waterproofed essentially, but there are bigger problems at play than what I can solve. But what they've requested is to replace this driveway, so let's begin measuring. I took 4 measurements spaced out. You got 53 feet divided by 4 for an average run of this single travel lane. Stops here because then it opens up a bit more. So let's get the linear foot. 66.5 feet for this shape because it bottles like a bottleneck and it opens up. I'm going to do 2 measurements, divide it by 2. That's 33 divided by 2 for an average width over the span of 11 feet. I'm going to do more of the same and treat this shape as a shape and then these 2 sections as a shape. Again, this is to find the surface area so I can job cost it based on volume. 42.8 divided by 2 over. It's a bit of an angle. I'm going to call it 12.5. It might be a little bit more, but that's okay. 12.4, so divided by 2, call that 6 over 3.5. This is about 4.4 over 48.5. Measuring again. That's 17 divided by 2 over 8.8. I'm going to do the apron of the garage and then this as a rectangle. 28.4 by 7.4. This looks like maybe it's sunk, but it looks like they had put it like a weather guard lower, not flush. Unless they just caulked it because it did sink. I think put it back at the same height as the garage. We want to make sure this is all falling away from the house. 22.8 by 35.8. A 5x5 flare. 16.9 wide over 15.8. 3x3 flare. 2 more 3x3 flares. 4.3 over. It's 6 feet 4 inches, but I'm going to just add that in as sidewalk length. So actually it's 91.5. 16.8 divided by 3 over these 2 sections. 11, almost 12. Here's some accessibility on the side. And this is over in Charlotte.